today we're going to do a little science demonstration. We're going to build an electromagnet. We're going to learn a little bit about energy, and when energy is present, there are moving parts. If nothing is moving, then there's no energy at that moment. But there's energy all around us. Energy comes from the sun, comes from wind, and it comes from electricity. And the electricity is what we're going to demonstrate today. So I took a D-cell battery and I taped a copper wire to both ends. Please don't do this unless you have parents' permission and supervision. I wrapped the wire around the screw, and it should make a magnet. Now, this is called an electromagnet, and the reason it is an electromagnet is because I can turn this magnet off. I can pick this up when the magnet is on, and if I untape it and slide the wire out, my magnet is now off. And it will no longer pick anything up. There is no longer any electricity going through my magnet. The difference between an electromagnet and a refrigerator magnet is the fact that we can turn it off. A refrigerator magnet that just sticks to any magnetic surface, and it is always on. The only way to get it to not be a magnet is to actually pull it apart. But anytime it touches anything metal, it's going to automatically attract. So in our demonstration, we turned the magnet on and off like a light switch, and a light switch actually runs like an electromagnet. There are other things in our house that run on electromagnets. Pretty much anything that has a motor. Your blender, your microwave, your vacuum cleaner, all of that has electromagnets in it. They turn on and off with a switch. That's the easiest way to remember that. This was a little demonstration. To make it an experiment, we would have to change some things. So if we were to experiment with our magnets, we could try different size batteries. I have a 9-volt battery right here. The D-cell battery. We could change the size of our screw. This is a big metal rod. Then I have about the same size screw that I was using, but it's a little bit smaller and it's a little bit thinner. I could try it with a small screw, and I could also change my wire around a little bit if I wanted to. So these things would have to be changed to make it into an experiment, like if you were using it for a science fair project or something. But just for our demonstration, we just left it like that. So I hope you enjoyed our little science demonstration today, and I appreciate you watching. Never stop learning. Bye.